Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel a plan with HBO Max step by step clearly. To cancel a plan with HBO Max, start by opening your internet browser. Navigate to the HBO Max website. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Manage Subscription from the menu options. In the subscription section, find the plan you wish to cancel. Click on the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. After confirming, you will receive a notification that your plan has been canceled. Make sure to check your email for a confirmation message regarding the cancellation. Locate the HBO Max subscription in your account settings. Follow the prompts to cancel the subscription through that service. Once complete, check for an email confirmation from the third-party provider. Ensure that you can still access HBO Max until the end of your billing cycle. Review any charges that may appear on your next billing statement. If you encounter any issues, contact HBO Max customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.